Hi everyone and welcome. My name is Jeff Donnelly and I'm the Director of Library Services here at Georgian Court University. I'm also your Holistic Health and Exercise Science Librarian. This video is designed to help you make the most of the databases that we have available to you and give you an idea of where you should go to do the majority of your research. First, we will start off on the library main page, and instead of using the Search GCU Library tab, we are going to click on Databases. This will bring us to our A through Z database list, and as you can see, there are quite a few databases that we have here. Now, what you're immediately going to want to do is click on the pull-down area next to all subjects and choose Holistic Health/Exercise Science from the list. This will bring you to the Holistic Health Exercise Science page, where you will find all the databases that we subscribe to related to these subject areas. Primary databases are listed first under Best Bets, while if we scroll down further, we will see a listing of general databases listed alphabetically at the bottom. General databases may or may not be useful for you depending on your topic area. For now, we're going to scroll back up to the top and start our sample search by using our premier holistic health database, Alt Health Watch. Alt Health Watch, while not the only valuable resource that we offer, is a good starting place for many areas in holistic health. We do have some search limiters on this page, and our most important one is the limiter for scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. By limiting scholarly journals only, you will eliminate all popular journals from your search. It's important to remember that scholarly or peer-reviewed journals are going to chronically provide you with the most credible information, and that's why it's important to use this limiter either now or immediately after initiating your search. Popular journals can sometimes be okay as a starting point to get some ideas, but it's better if you are focusing on the scholarly research. Now, if you don't know what the difference is between a scholarly and popular journal article, I highly recommend checking out Module 2 of the GCU Search Path tutorial found under Using the Library on the library website before moving on. A link to this will also be included in the video description. Now we are going to complete a sample search using Tibetan medicine as our initial keyword phrase. By leaving the select a field as optional, this will be a keyword search. With this general initial search, we are already at less than 100 results once we do the search. We can further refine the search by using the faceted searching on the left-hand side menu and limiting to scholarly journals. This gets us down to 62 results. We can then limit the date range. And this is usually a good thing to do when looking at anything in the sciences. Try to keep the articles you're using to the most recent 10 years. Anything older is probably going to be much less worthwhile unless it is a seminal work. And that should get us down to 47 results, which is a very manageable number, but Tibetan medicine, in my opinion, is still a very general search. We can further refine this by switching this to a subject search, which narrows it down to 14 results, and also by adding another search limiter. Another search limiter would limit this further, but since we only have 14 results, there's very little reason to add another search limiter, since we would only be searching within the 14 results we have right in front of us. Since we have an easily manageable list of results here, let's examine these to see what information is provided that might be helpful. First, to get the article, click on the PDF or HTML full text. This will bring up the article itself, and if you know that's what you're looking for, then go right for it. But always be sure to use the PDF if you have the option, since the HTML file will not have page numbers or images in some cases. A PDF is the exact photocopy of the article and will give you everything you need. If you're not sure that the article is right for you, or you would like more information before diving into it, you will find the abstract and other helpful information by clicking on the magnifying glass. This will provide an abstract or description of the article, including the findings in most cases. This should give you a good idea of whether or not the article is worth your time in reading or citing. Last, if we reach a point where you have simply too few results, it may be a good time to switch to another database or search multiple databases at the same time. Just be sure to develop a checklist of both your search terms and the databases that you have already searched, so that you don't do the same thing twice. EBSCO is a vendor that we happen to have purchased many databases from, many of which can be relevant to holistic health. To expand this search, we can click on Choose Databases and select more databases to expand our search, and click OK when done. We can then complete the search again, and we should notice a larger set of results. If this number is too large, we can then begin our process of refinement, starting from general terms to more specific terms, just like we were doing before. Except this time, since it's such a large number, it may be a good idea to add an additional search term after we set the dates. And this will help us limit even further and fully refine our results. If you have questions, please be sure to contact me or check out our vast knowledge base of guides and tutorials for help on other exciting library and research-related topics. And of course, if you found this video helpful, please be sure to give us a like and subscribe for new and updated content as it goes live. And thank you very much for watching.